Hey guys, I want to show you something on my Flexzilla 3/4 inch hose. It's 6 years old. Physically it's held up well, but it's turned flat on me here because, you know, I'm putting it on a reel, so it turns flat. And it used to be somewhat flat, and when I'd pressurize it with water, it would get kind of round. But the last, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks, it hasn't been keeping up with my tank. And even when I pull it completely out on my jobs the last couple of weeks, it still won't open up. And so I was looking for another hose, not really knowing what I was going to get. I think I was just going to get a couple of hoses at Lowe's, and I just happened to watch Joe Deary's channel where he got this blue hose. Joe Deary's channel is Powerful Improvements, and he said that another guy's been using this hose and has had good luck with it, and I'm going to try it. I'm not really sure how it's going to work out. It's already kind of flat, but I'm going to give it a shot. If it lasts through the season, that'd be great. I mean, it is, you know, wound pretty tight here, but we're going to give it a shot. I'll let you know in a few months how it's working out. I don't know. I can't remember how firm the Flexzilla hose was when it was new, but anyway. Okay, my old hose, I cut the fitting off and put a barb fitting here, and that's what I'm doing here. Just cut the fitting off. I just felt like it was one less place for it to come apart. You know, sometimes these come apart right here or leak. And so on my original hose, I cut the fitting off and did it this way. So obviously I got to do it that way on this one. So I'll get back with you. Okay, so that's how I put it on there. I put the hose clamps opposing. So there's, you know, you line them up and there'll be 2 little flat areas lined up. So always put your hose clamps opposing. So this is the Wise Flow 3/4 inch ID premium rubber garden hose, but it's already, you can see it's not quite round there. See how wide that is? So I'm hoping that straightens out. Okay, I know most of you pull all your hose off, and I've been pulling all my hose off, especially, probably even the last year, but I've really noticed the last 2 or 3 weeks it not keeping up with my tank. But now that I'm winding it on here, it's doing what the Flexzilla hose did. So I may not be happy with that. I wanted something a little more firmer, so when I wound it on here, it would be, you know, the full diameter. So yeah, I'll just let you know how it works out. But I'm guessing at the end of this year, I'm going to pull it off because it's going to end up looking that flat right there. You see what I'm saying? Anyway, yeah, now I'm kind of committed. I'm not going to send it back like that. Okay, so here's how it looks wound up. I made a boo-boo too, that's 2 75-foot hoses put together, and there's only been a time or two I've needed that much, and now I've got 100 foot. Now that it's only 100 foot, I shouldn't have too much lying here on the ground. Please like and subscribe and share my content, and I'll talk to you on the next one.